Hey everyone, welcome back to Dockside Travel. We're Chris and Melanie, and today we're diving into one of our favorite topics, travel tech.
Between vlogging, editing, planning, and staying connected on our travels, we've built a setup that works. Not just for content creation, but for everyday travelers who want to stay organized, powered, and prepared.
We're breaking down all the tech we pack for our trips, what we actually use, what's worth the investment, and how it makes travel easier.
From cameras and laptops to power banks and portable drives, this is everything that earns space in our tech bag every trip.
Let's plug in and get started. Let's start with the most essential piece of travel tech, our laptops. I travel with a MacBook Pro 14-inch and Melanie brings her Chromebook.
My Chromebook keeps me connected with my clients. I can manage bookings, answer messages, and check travel documents without lugging a heavy laptop. It's lightweight, quick to boot, and perfect for those in-flight or sea-day work sessions.
My MacBook Pro, on the other hand, well, it's my editing suite. I use it to edit Dockside Travel videos, respond to emails, and keep our social channels up to date.
It's powerful enough for full 4K video editing, yet still compact for travel. And pair with the right mouse, it's unstoppable.
Speaking of which, I use the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S for Mac. It's small, wireless, and precise. Reviewers love how smooth it feels and how it tracks on literally any surface, even a cruise ship desk or an airplane tray table.
It's quiet too, which is nice when we're editing in the cabin at midnight.
Battery life is incredible. It charges via USB-C and lasts up to 70 days. For anyone editing, organizing photos, or even just managing emails on the go, this combo, the MacBook and MX mouse, it's the dream team.
Next up, probably the single most used piece of tech on any trip, our iPhones.
Absolutely. They've basically replaced half the gear we used to travel with. Our iPhones are our go-to cameras, video editors, maps, translators, flashlights, and music players all in one.
We filmed tons of Dockside Travel clips on our phones. The stabilization, color, and quality are so good now that it's actually hard to tell the difference from a full-size camera in bright light.
And because they're always in our pockets, we never miss those spontaneous moments, like dolphins racing along the side of the ship or that surprise sail-away rainbow.
On board, they're also how we run our entire cruise experience. The cruise line apps have everything. The check-in, muster drills, daily schedules, excursions, dining times, and show bookings. If we could only bring one piece of tech each, it would probably be our phones.
Power management is where travel tech can make or break your day.
Between phones, cameras, and laptops, keeping everything charged is critical.
We still bring international power adapters, especially for European ports or pre-cruise hotels. They're small, essential, and as we said before, they're adapters, not converters.
But our main workhorse right now is a 300-watt USB-C fast charging station. It's like a power hub that replaces all those bulky plug strips that cruise lines are banning.
This one has 7 total ports, 3 standard USB and 4 USB-C, with dual 100-watt support. Basically, it can charge multiple high-watt devices at once. MacBooks, phones, tablets, everything, all without overheating. It's clean, powerful, and simplifies charging when outlets are limited in your cabin.
Now let's talk organization, because all those cables and adapters, they need a home.
I use the TomTalk Tech Pouches. I have both the large and medium. They're padded, water resistant, and open clamshell style with zippered mesh compartments.
The elastic loops and pockets inside are perfect for cords, batteries, and SD cards. It's like a travel toolbox.
Reviewers love how much they hold without becoming bulky. And I can just drop the whole pouch into my backpack and know everything's organized.
Cables, AirPods, power blocks, and even a portable fan plug neatly fit inside. It's lightweight and keeps me from untangling wires mid-flight.
Having one place for all the small stuff saves you from digging through bags at the airport or in your cabin. Total game changer. Here's a piece of gear most travelers don't think about: data blockers.
These little gadgets protect your devices from juice jacking, which is when someone hacks a public charging port to steal your data while you're charging.
We use the JSOCKS USB and Type-C data blocker set. It's a 4-pack, transparent, and works with both USB-A and USB-C ports.
You just plug the blocker between your cable and the public USB port, like in airports, hotels, or cafes. It allows charging, but completely disables data transfer.
Amazon reviews say users love the peace of mind. They're small, cheap, and easy to forget about until you need them.
It's one of those smart traveler items you hope you're never gonna need, but you're glad you have. You've seen this one before in our airplane video, the Rovi Van Aurora A3 mini flashlight. He loves it.
We can't say enough about it. It's incredibly bright for its size, it's USB-C rechargeable, and has multiple brightness modes.
It doubles as an emergency light, a bedside nightlight, or even a mini headlamp when clipped to a hat.
Reviewers consistently call it their favorite everyday carry flashlight. Small, powerful, and built like a tank.
It's become one of those must-pack tools, whether you're in a cabin, exploring a port, or you just need to find a dropped cable under the bed.
Power banks are a necessity, yet they've been getting some headlines lately as some older models have been part of safety recalls. But this one's special, the Kuju Solid-State MagSafe Power Bank.
Unlike traditional lithium batteries, this one uses a solid-state tech, which means it's more stable, charges faster, and handles heat better.
It attaches magnetically to the back of your iPhone for wireless charging, or you can plug it in with the USB-C for full speed.
Amazon reviewers love the slim design. It fits in your pocket without even weighing you down.
And we've tested it on long travel days. It keeps our phones topped up through filming, photos, and maps all day long.
Okay, camera lovers, this one is our new favorite toy. We've switched from the GoPro Hero 11 to the DJI Osmo Action 5.
It's rugged, waterproof, and delivers stunning 4K video. But the real win for us is the Bluetooth compatibility with the DJI mic system.
That means cleaner audio, less cable clutter, and faster setup when we're filming on the go.
It handles low light beautifully and has a front screen for vlogging. Reviewers love its durability and how it resists overheating during long shoots.
The Pro Adventure Combo also comes with extra batteries, mounts, and protective cases. Perfect for travel creators or anyone who loves adventure footage.
This one definitely earns its place in our kit. Our main vlogging camera is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Small, powerful, and perfectly designed for travel.
It's built with a 1-inch sensor, so even in tricky lighting, the footage looks crisp. The built-in gimbal gives ultra-smooth stabilization no matter how much I'm moving.
Reviewers call it a content creator's dream. Compact, reliable, and great for walking tours or cruise ship footage.
We pair with our DJI Mic 2 or Mic Mini systems for crystal clear sound, and the wireless connection makes filming seamless.
I love the active track feature. It automatically follows your movement so we can both be in frame while walking.
It's one of those tools that keeps us filming instead of fiddling with settings. The last camera we pack is the Insta360, and it's our secret weapon for cinematic shots.
We use it for embarkation day, ship tours, underwater clips. Paired with a 10-foot invisible pole, it creates those awesome drone-style shots without needing a drone.
The 360-degree recording means we don't have to worry about missing the action. We can reframe the angle later in editing.
It saves us so much time because one shot can capture everything. Reviewers love it for exactly that reason.
It's durable, waterproof, and easy to use. We use it constantly for transitions and establishing shots.
It's the most wow camera in our setup, perfect for travelers who love dynamic visuals.
You've heard us talk about these in almost every packing video. Apple AirTags and the wallet trackers.
They're essential for tracking bags, tech gear, and even our wallets.
When you're carrying expensive gear, knowing where it is at all times is priceless.
Find My integration lets us track every piece of luggage from the moment we leave the house until we arrive in our destination. Finally, the unsung hero of any creator setup, storage.
We capture a lot of video when we travel, and onboard laptop storage fills up fast.
That's why we use the SanDisk Extreme Pro Portable SSD. It's compact, lightning fast, and comes in capacities up to 4 terabytes.
It's built tough, shockproof, water resistant, and small enough to fit in your pocket.
Reviewers rave about its transfer speeds, up to 2,000 megabytes per second, perfect for 4K video editing straight from the drive.
It's also great for everyday travelers who want a safe backup for photos, documents, or movies.
If you create content or just take a ton of vacation photos, this is the best investment you can make for peace of mind.
And that's our full lineup of travel tech, the gear that makes cruising, flying, and filming smoother from start to finish.
Some of these tools we've used for years, others are new finds, but every one of them earns its space in our bags. If you've learned something new, hit that thumbs up button and drop your favorite piece of travel tech in the comments. We'd love to hear what works for you.
Subscribe and join our Dockside crew for more cruise tips, ship tours, and travel adventures every week.
Now, if you've ever wondered what to pack to keep your sanity on those long haul flights, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching.